This is the AeroPress. No, it's by the AeroPress company, but it's the AeroPress. And this is the Porlex Mini hand grinder. It's a conical grinder. And this is the way I make coffee. This takes a little bit of work. And it happens to hold the exact amount of coffee beans that you're recommended to put in the AeroPress. This takes a little bit of work. It might be boring to watch. See? I know. Very boring. Sometimes the handle comes off a little bit and you have to stop and readjust it. You grind and you grind. You can feel, you get used to the feel of it. Like I can feel it's getting closer to the end now. I hope. There. Well, maybe a one or two. There. Okay. Now, on the AeroPress, you remove that. Here I have the stainless steel Brewing Company filter because I don't want to bother with the paper filters because I'm lazy like that. Then you pull this out to like that, and I do the inverted. And on this, opens from the bottom where all the coffee grinds are. Then I dump it in here. Put that back together. The handle goes into a nice little spot there. My Starbucks mug that I like. Put that so it can be better seen. Plastic spoon for stirring. All right. The water I boiled in the microwave. And I boil it and I pull it out and I wait till the bubbles settle, then it's the right temperature. So, wet the grounds first. So I fill it halfway. Then I take the handle of the spoon and I stir it up to get everything wet. And I just stir until, you only need like 10 seconds. But I just go by eye and then I see the coffee bloom. That there. Then I fill this up, not all the way to the top, you need air in there. So about that much from the top, because it works on air pressure. With the stainless steel filter there, and you tighten it there. And I give it a few minutes. I don't really pay attention to time because I don't want to. I want things easy and brainless. Okay, so then my coffee mug. Then when you turn it over, everything mixes up again as it goes up. Then you slowly press, just like the weight of your hand. Just slowly. And I push the air out. They tell you not to because it'll make it bitter, but I guess I like it a little bitter. And see how much? It's not a lot in there, but that's like a shot, couple of shots of espresso. And since I want a cup of coffee, I'm going to make an Americano. That means I put water in there. About the equal parts water. Oh, and it tastes good. It does, it tastes very good. All right, now to clean up, partly the reasons I've got the paper towels here, not just because I'm trying to be nice to my wife on the dining room table, but you do this over the garbage. Okay, take that off. Take the filter, stainless steel filter off. If you're using a paper filter, you just leave it on. Then you press that and out pops the grinds. They're very dry. And you throw the mess away. All right, that's that. Thank you.